Okay, we'll start the class. So last few class we are discussing ray optics. In last class we completed one derivation. The derivation of mirror formula for concave mirror when it is a forms a real image. Okay. So everyone revise all the formulas now. I will share my screen. Up to that, you can revise all the formulas.
Yeah.
Okay. So in NCERT introduction part, what is a ray of light? The reflection of light, spherical mirror, principal axis, whole. Please mute yourself. Sign conversion. So how to find focal length? For the concave, focal length is a positive value. Convex, focal length value is negative. This is the plane of focal. And the mirror equation. Okay. So next we want to go for refraction of light. Okay. So first of all, what is refraction? Any idea? Give me a reply mark through the chat box. What is refraction? Yeah, bending of light. Okay, listen. I will take three different kind of medium. The first one air medium, next one liquid medium, next one tensor medium. Okay, so this is water. This is tensor. Okay, this is air medium. I'm sending ray of light. So this is ray of light passing through the air medium. So in this time, the speed of light V value 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. It will go very fast. So after that, it is reaching to the surface of liquid. Okay, so compared to air, the liquid surface is maximum. Now the speed is decreasing. Again, it is moving now. So this is 3 into 10 power 8 meter. The speed now it is decreasing approximately. I am saying 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second, like that. Again, it is passing through the denser medium. So based on the medium, like a glass, chrome glass, or a ebonite, anything, the speed also decreasing. So definitely the speed is changing. Now the air it is called as rarer medium, liquid denser medium compared to air and liquid. Liquid and solid are okay. Liquid and solid means it is liquid is a rare medium, solid is a denser medium. So rarer medium, denser medium. Now the light source. This is denser medium. Okay, this is rarer medium. Ray of light. It is the incident ray. This is normal. Now the speed is decreasing now. Speed decreasing means the direction towards normal. The speed is decreasing means towards normal. After it is coming out, denser to rarer medium. Now what happened? The speed is increasing. So increasing speed is away from the normal. Means arrow mark is very important. This is away from the normal. This is towards the normal. Rarer medium to denser medium. The refraction towards the normal. Denser medium to rarer medium. Away from the normal. Okay. So based on in this condition, it is applicable for all the areas. Now we will discuss one by one. So first reason, the speed, it is decreasing or increasing. Next one, the change in path of light, the refraction of light, phenomena of change in path of light has traveled from one medium to another medium. So why it is changing path? Because of the speed changes. Okay, see a first concept. Second one, the changing speed of light from one medium to another medium. So this is the second one. We can say any one, but two also it is good. So what is the refraction of light? In case they are asking 2 more question or 1 more question, means you should write in these 2 points. Okay. So next we go for the law of refraction. Law of reflection also there, law of refraction also there. Now we'll discuss laws of refraction. The first one, the incident ray, the normal to the refraction surface at the point of incident and the refracted ray all lie in the same plane. Okay, listen. Now my voice is audible. Yes or no? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. See, refer in this diagram now. So this is incident ray, this is normal, and this one is a refracted ray. Okay, for first law, I will take one glass slab. I am passing through the incident ray. So there is no refraction, it is going straight. So this is also refraction ray, and this is also normal. It is called as light. The incident ray, the normal to the refraction surface at the point of incidence, and a refracted ray all lies in the same plane. All lies in the same plane. So this is the first one now. Next law, it is a Snell's law. The ratio of sine angle of incident and sine angle of refraction. Listen, maximum students making mistake. Where we should take at an angle normal to incident ray. It is angle of incident. Sine angle of incident means normal to incident. Please refer the diagram. This is normal, this is incident. Only in this angle, angle of incident. Some students marking this point. It is not. Okay. So this is the angle of incident. This is angle of refracted. Angle of refracted means the angle between normal to refracted ray. Angle to normal to refracted ray. Okay. So this is the second one. First one, the incident ray, the normal to the refraction surface at the point of incident and the refracted ray all lies in the same plane. Second one, for a given pair of medium for light of given wavelength, the ratio of sine of angle of incident to the sine angle of refracted is constant. So mu is equal to sin I by sin R. Mu means that is a refractive index. Take a notes. Okay. So next some values. The mu value optically rarer medium is low and the denser medium is high. The mu value denser medium with respect to WRT means with respect to rarer medium is more than 1. It is a more than 1. Denser to rarer, it is more than 1. Rarer to denser, it is a less than 1. For the air and the vacuum, the value is 1. Next one, the refraction, the velocity and the wavelength of light change. One more question, please note it. So maximum in this area they are asking one more. The refraction, the velocity and the wavelength of light change. The refraction, the frequency and the base light do not change. So which is variable, which is independent and dependent. Like this also will come. The refraction, the velocity and the wavelength of light change. The frequency and the base of light do not change. So this is a formula. Air to medium, speed of light in air medium. This is in a particular given medium. This is related to speed. This is related to wavelength. Just Balasan will just you want to draw the diagram. This mu man, it is not a mu, mu, it is mu. Refractive index. Constant. Okay. Next one. The principle of reversibility of light. Principle of reversibility of light. This is incident ray, normal, refracted ray. In between, I will place one reflecting surface. Okay. So in this reflecting surface, again it is bouncing back. Same height to this side. Just to consider, this is A, this is O, this is beam. So I'm sending the ray of light, the point A, O, B. Again return back B, O, A. Okay, it is the principle of reversibility of light. Actually, you know very well the formula, the Snell's law, sin I divided by sin R, the ratio of sine angle of incident and sine angle of refraction. So mu is equal to AB. So this is a rarer medium A, denser medium B. So A to B, sin I by sin R. Again, for denser to rare, no. Now you can write B mu A, denser medium to rarer medium, sin R divided by sin I. Because of this is a sin R, this is a now incident. Sin R divided by sin I. Again the formula mu A cross B, mu A B cross mu B A. The value is 1. One proof it is there, this one we'll discuss. Okay, now just know the formula. Next. Otherwise, we can write like this also. The refractive index of rarer medium to denser medium. It is equal to 1 by refractive index of denser medium to rarer medium. If you have a ray of light after the suffering any number of reflection and or refraction as it point reversed at any stage, it travel back to the source along the same path. This is very important. Reverse at any stage, it travels back to the source. So this is the source along the same path in the opposite direction. In the opposite direction, same path and opposite direction. It is called as principle of reversibility of light. Listen, the principle of reversibility is that the image and object position can be interchanged. So positions are called the conjugate position. This is the first point. This is second point. Take a notes. Now we are discussing refraction of light, law of refraction, the principle of reversibility of light. Okay. Next. Refraction through a parallel slab. Refraction through a parallel slab. Listen first, everyone. No need to copy. Listen. Everyone refer in this diagram. This is normal. This is glass slab. So glass slab is the denser medium and outside rarer medium. Now I'm sending the ray of light. It is a rarer medium to denser medium. You know very well, rare to denser, the refraction towards normal. So now I mention I1, that is the incident ray, R1, refracted ray, R1, refracted ray, Again, it is hitting to another surface. Now it is considered to denser medium incident ray. So that I will mention I2. Again, it is coming out denser to rarer medium. It is away from the normal. It is the R2. Using Snell's law. Using Snell's law. What is the formula? Snell's law formula mu is equal to sin I divided by sin R. Just listen up to this much only. Sin I, sin R1. Sin I1 divided by sin R1. Sin I1 divided by sin R1. For the rarer medium to denser medium. Second formula. Denser to rarer medium. So denser, this is I2. And rarer, R2. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Listen, we know that the value of any rarer medium to denser, the refractive index value, rarer medium to denser medium to again rarer medium, the value is 1. So that I know the value sin I1 divided by sin R1 into sin I2 divided by sin R2. Now sin I1 equal to R2 and the sin I2, it is equal to R1. The angle of incident, see here, angle of incident and coming out now, the second, it is both also equal. Angle of incident and coming out in this ray, emergent ray, both also equal. I1 equal to R2. Next one, I2. So I2 means what? This is the incident ray. Incident ray of second medium, denser medium. Refracted ray for the first medium. Both also equal. I2 value equal to I1. Did you understand this point? If you have any doubt, you can ask me for this much. Up to that, shall we go for next step? Aparna, Ashika, Asiba, Balasunil, Dharnidharan, Dharmeswaran, Gokul Ram, Gokul, Gautam, Harini, Haris, Hamvarshan, Janani, Luman, Maniraj, Manisha, Navinraj, Nandakishore, Navantika, Rahul Rajan. Did you understand? Sanmugam, Sobika, Shivavarshini, Vimaladitya, Vishal. Okay. Listen. I1 value not equal to R1, I2 value not equal to R2. That is the angle of sine angle of incident. It is not equal to sine angle of refracted. Okay. So next one, lateral shift. So lateral shift means, see here, this is incident ray. Actually, without deviation, it will go for straight. There is no refraction, it is going to straight. But due to refraction, what happened here? Rarer medium to denser medium, the speed is decreasing so that the refracted ray towards normal. In the small angle changes, again, denser medium to rarer medium. So now it is away from the normal. In this changing angle, it is called as lateral shift. This one, this y is lateral shift. The formula T sine delta divided by delta means in this angle. T sine delta divided by cos R1. R1 cos R1. Otherwise, y equal to T sine I1 minus R1 divided by cos R1. In case there is no angle in the question paper means we can use in this form. What is T mean? That is the thickness of the slab. T is referred thickness of the slab. Mu refractive index, I angle of incident, R refracted ray, angle of refracted, sine. Already you know that sine by cos. So y is equal to T sine theta divided by cos R1. Theta you can consider to in this angle. Y formula, one more formula also there. I1 minus R1. I1 minus R1. Then you will get in this angle. Because easy to know about the incident angle and the refracted angle. Okay. So this is the proof, listen. Medium. First rare medium to denser medium. Again denser medium to rarer medium. So I will take three mediums now. Rarer medium, denser medium D, denser medium C, again denser medium A. Okay. Now incident ray, refracted ray using Snell's law. Mu is equal to sine I divided by sine R1. Mu equal to sine I divided by sine R. First I am using rarer medium to denser medium. So this is the formula number 1. Again B denser medium to C denser medium. Now this is the R1. So this is R1 and this is also R1. It is coming out, it is the R2. So sine R1 divided by sine R2. Equation number 2. Denser medium B to denser medium C. Again denser medium C to denser medium A. Third stage, C to A. Now R1 over. Now this R2 equal to in this R2. Sine R2 divided by sine I1. Equation number 3. Mu rarer medium to denser medium. B to C, again C to A. The value is 1. It will cancel I1 sine I1 divided by sine R1 into sine R1 divided by sine R1 divided by sine R2 into sine R2 sine R2 divided by sine I1. Now R1 cancel, R2 cancel. So remainder sine I1 it is also cancelled. The value is equal to 1. So only mu AB into mu BC into mu CA equal to 1. Clear? Why we are writing 1? Next step. So B to C. and BC is equal to the refractive index A to C. Otherwise, BC denser medium to denser medium B to denser medium C is equal to mu A by C mu AB. So this is the one more formula. Take a notes. This one we'll discuss after, it will take more time. Total and internal reflection, very important. This also we'll discuss after. So actually, I given some homework for you. The uses of spherical mirror, concave mirror, and convex mirror. Concave mirror using for the saving mirror, used in the searchlight, automobile headlight, concave head, reflecting telescope, convex mirror, rear view of mirror in automobiles, has the shadows in the street light in order of the spread light in large area. Okay, this is refraction. What is refraction? What is the reason? The bending of light at the surface of the spreading up to medium. It is because of difference in optical density between the media. So optical density, mass density. So optical density means the opposition offered by the medium to the propagation of light. It is called as optical density. Mass density, mass per unit volume, normal only. Mass density formula, mass per unit volume. This is new for you. What is optical density? So next one, Snell's law, sin I divided by sin R. The V value inversely proportional to N, refractive index. V value glass is less than compared to water. So this is some example problem. The proof, water to air, again glass to water, air to glass, 3 medium equal to 1. Wavelength, it is directly proportional to V, inversely proportional to N. Please note in this formula, lambda formula. The record not completed. How many of you completed record note, classwork note? If you're ready for that, next week I will check. Otherwise, in this weekend I will check record note and the classwork. So try to complete. Thank you.